Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, till the last session, we are up to the your information page. Let us continue with the overview page. See, guys, as part of the overview page, you have only the finish button, right? So, let us come back here. In the page objects, create a page, so which is an overview page .ts. And here in this particular page also, import is a mandatory thing that I have done. And on top of it, so export class, and this is gonna be an overview page. And here my copilot is prompting me that you just need to have a page fixer, and in this particular class you have a finish button, and there is a constructor. Even I accepted it, I just press the tab operation, all these lines of a code got populated. Now here let me close this one, and here async place order, right? We just need to place the order. As part of the place order, you just need to click on a finish button. That's it. You just need to click on a finish button. That's it. So this is the code that it got generated for the finish button. Now we just need to import this particular page here in this. So here let me add an import on the top. So import overview page, and here also you need to create a constants for this overview page. And here, okay, we just created it, and here after entering the details, now place the order. Await overview page dot place the order is the method that you need to call it out. Perfectly all right. So guys, if you observe, we are taking advantage of a copilot, and we are just generating this a piece of a code. Okay, perfectly all right. After placing an order, I don't want to execute it. After placing an order, this is the page where you have a last page that we have. The overview page is completed. Okay, the overview page is completed, and we have the next page, which is an order confirmation page, right? We have an order confirmation page where you have a confirmation message and a back to home. Let us create that particular page as well. So here I'm creating order confirmation page .ts, and let me copy this one. Okay, let me copy this one, and let me import this chunks, and export a class order confirmation page. And here it is prompting me the read only, the back to home, and this is the constructor. And here, and navigate back to home is the method, and I just accepted everything. I just accepted everything. So here one thing that it is missing here is, we at the end, right, we just validated this particular message. See here, we just validated this particular message. Okay, so here await a page dot locator complete header. Okay, complete header is there. Okay, so come back and go to this page, the newly created page, which is the order confirmation page. And here read only order confirmation message locator. That's the locator. Yes, that's fine. And here this dot order confirmation locator, which is a complete header. And before clicking on the back to home, I'm just asking it, okay, wait for order confirmation or is visible, something we can add it, but I'm just adding a wait for. That's fine. Anything is fine here. Navigate back to home and then log out. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is the chunk that we have in an order confirmation page. Now come back to this particular file, import this particular order confirmation page. Okay, import. Okay, the file that I'm gonna import here is order confirmation page. That's the thing that I wanna import. Okay, order confirmation page. And here is the constant that I wanna create for the order confirmation page. And here later validate the message and click on a back to home. And here simply await order confirmation page dot validate order. Okay, so here this is the message, which is a navigate back to home. Okay, this is the name, which is a navigate back to home. That's it, guys. So this is the method that I have updated. So these are the flows that I have incorporated. Now let me try to run this particular test. As and when I executed my tests here, if you observe my actions individually, one after another, all the actions are being performed. It added a product to the cart. Now, in this particular your information screen, it filled this form and then it placed an order and then it should click on a back to home and then it should log out from that application. A complete end-to-end flow got automated successfully here. Okay, with this particular approach. Perfect. Now, if you come back to this document, even this step is completed, right? Even this step is completed. Now here, what we have done is we created the individual pages and we created the locators, which is an end-to-end scenario. One is completed. Now I want to automate end-to-end two, where in which or end-to-end three, login, verify home and a logout. Okay, login, verify home and a logout. So in order to create an end-to-end three, the simple thing here is test source demo, of course, end-to-end scenario 2. Okay, source demo, end-to-end scenario 2. And here, I'm just closing this particular one. Okay, I'm just closing this one. So what we need to do here, we already have the information as part of your previous test. Just copy this login page instance and a home page instance and put it in a new test. And whatever the login piece of a code is there, okay, whatever the login piece of a code is there, just get that particular login piece of a code, okay, and then log out a piece of a code, whichever we have, just get that information and then execute it. Okay, see here, automatically I reused that particular content and I have recreated my end-to-end scenario. So this is the way how exactly we can leverage the existing code. Okay, this is the way how exactly we can leverage the existing code. So this is the way how exactly we can organize the content as part of the page objects and you will be importing it. So guys, one thumb rule here is, as I am working on a public application, which is a generic application, right? That's the reason my Copilot is giving me all a lot of suggestions and everything is working. Okay, all these imports and everything. Whenever you are working on your application, the Copilot may not have an idea about your complete application accessibilities. At that time, there is a possibility it will capture an invalid locators. You need to update those locators before executing the program. That's the key thing that you need to consider, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. In the next session, we will continue this topic with some more examples. Let's take a break here in this session. Thank you. Bye bye.